Okay, not bad actually. Check out the root system. Nice. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to my Young Family in Area YouTube channel. Today is May 4th, 2021. In today's episode, I'm going to separate and repot my air-layered rose plants. Meanwhile, I'm going to check out the root system to see what they look like. Stay tuned. So guys, check out this container. In this small container, I have 2 rose plants. Actually, this container is less than 1 gallon. These 2 rose plants came from the same parent rose plant. I propagated these 2 rose plants using air layering technique. About 1 week ago, I made a video specifically talk about these 2 rose plants. That time, this rose plant produced a big flower. So right now, you can see it is dead flower head. You can check out the link above for more details because these 2 rose plants are actively growing. This small container is too small for these 2 rose plants. They share 1 small container. So that's why today I'm going to separate them and repot to the containers. The container I'm going to choose is still the same as this container. I just want to separate them to 2 different containers. The reason I'm not going to choose a bigger container because I don't have enough room for all my plants. My balcony is overcrowded. The potting soil I'm going to choose is just leftover potting soil I prepared before. See here. Here I have 2 containers. I already put some potting soil at the bottom. Later I'm going to put some decomposed banana peel and mixed with this potting soil. Here I have 1 plastic jar. I put some chopped banana peel into this jar and filled with water. Let them exposed to sunlight. Actually, check out right here. See, a lot of banana peel already decomposed. Because you know banana peel contains a lot of potassium. Also, it contains high potassium. Both are very good for plants. Especially, they can build very strong root system and boost flowers. So I'm going to put some on the bottom soil and mix well. Just below this dead flower header, there's 2 big leaf buds right here, and right here. So I'm going to cut right here and keep these 2 leaf buds. Check out right here. This one is bigger and this one. In the past couple of days, I didn't water my plants. I just let the soil a little bit dry. Then easy to repot my plants. Okay, let me squeeze the container a little bit. So I'm going to upside down. Check out the root system. Wow, see here. Some roots. Actually, you see, even though in the past several days I didn't water my plants, you still can see the soil is pretty white. I think all the roots tangled together. So let me squeeze a little bit, try to separate them. I can feel I break some roots. Okay, Not bad, actually. Check out the root system. Nice. Okay, there's one rose plant in my hand, so I'm going to loosen up the soil. Okay, that's, I think, good enough. So let me sit right here. Looks good. Okay, I take the second rose plant. Let me do the same thing to loosen up some soil. Kind of this root system is stronger, the first one. See here. It's beautiful root system, root network. See here. Okay, let me sit right here. And see here, earthworm. I still break some roots. See here. Hi guys, check out right here. I already separated and repot 2 rose plants into 2 small containers. As you can see here, when I separate 2 rose plants, I caused some damage on the root systems. But as you can see here, the root systems for both rose plants are pretty healthy. Later, I'm going to put these 2 rose plants in the shade for a couple of days and let them to recover from the damaged root systems. Even though right now we are still in early May, but we live in Southern California, during the daytime the sunlight is pretty strong. It might cause some damage on the repotted plants. Later, if I check everything is okay, I'm going to remove all these plants to the outside to receive direct sunlight. Hopefully these 2 plants, they are doing well. So guys, if you like today's video, please subscribe for future updates. Like, share, leave comments down below for any questions. Thanks for watching. See all you guys in the new video.